Hello there, I'm Dr.Genuks, and here I'd like to introduce to my 3D modeling process, especially modeling the interior for the screening of the scene for Umbra to Umbra. This house, especially particularly, it will be looking like stylized in the Star Wars setting environment. And here I'm going to establish the floor plan. As you can see, I drawn before to make sure all the cabinets and places are standing on their places, especially in accordance with the scenario, in accordance with the main narration of Umbra to Umbra. Here I'm going to scale and set up the floor plan inside my 3D modeling program. This is SketchUp version 8. Not the last and not the best choice up to date, but I'm telling about it later. But first of all, the process is common for all different versions of the software of such kind. So it's no harm to show you around my process. As you can see, first of all, I'm going to set up the basic um, things in a scene, the basic aspects like the columns of this premise, the premise of the hidden wizard arcade playroom, stylized in especially 1986 year style. Here it works with one of the lighting scheme, which one of the benefits which we can deny of the 3D modeling program is that we can establish everything at once, like the lighting source and the shadows at once. So the process of actual rendering comes easy, comes in trials. Discrepancy to the mirror drawing. If we starting to render with a pencil, we can't grip the perspective, we can't properly grip the light and source, so the 3D way is possibly the most uh, the most appropriated, the most great way to see the scene before it goes to render. So here I've started actually to sew up with the petty details, maybe not so petty, but essential details in the scene, like doors. They play not the key role, still to have them. It's a good matter. It's a matter of fact we need them sometimes, and it's better to have them in their place. The room. I'm going to establish also the walls around the premise and probably the roof with lightings and anything else inside. So let us check it out. Here I'm working with the 3D object. Let me admit that this program SketchUp, it comes not backed up with the pre-made 3D models of different sort, like chairs, or maybe especially the cabinets, especially the complicated 3D models, maybe cars, and it comes with only this female figure, um, and that's all. Anything else we have to find our way to establish, either or develop by ourselves or purchase from the third parties. This is my way. I'm going to purchase all cabinets from the network. from the guys who paid attention and made the design of this gaming arcade cabinets and other slot machines on the net. Here you can see two versions I haven't used, which one 8 and second is 15. The 15 is most up-to-date version, and I'm going to switch down to version 15, which is most expecting the best rendering results and most smooth the modeling process within. So this is last time I fired up the version 8 just to make sure everything is on their places in my pre-made scene, and then to export this scene down to the most newest version. Here let me show you around the premise. The only one part is missed so far is one of cabinets. I'm going to put it on the query a little later. I will show you how to add and manipulate basically with such pre-made object. But first of all, I'm going to check out everything on its place in my basic scene. You can see it's all furnished. It's all furnished with all predicted stuff, particularly the fuzzball table. This is still version 8. Yes, here I'm going to, it's a little bit out of date, so I'm going to read off it and switch up to the version 15. So no saving for this file, just to check out everything is in order. And now I'm going to show you something background from the SketchUp, especially features, and in particular the extension part, which allows to extend the basic program practically without limit. But it comes with the price still. We have to extend our part into every direction practically existed, like you see the industrial design, engineering design, and particular which I am much interested with is the rendering process. So I have to make sure myself that the lights and shadows and textures are all in place. So I definitely will need such a program which will allow me to render the output file smooth, to introduce, and which is more important, to use other skins and tones I've established into the 3D scene with my final renderings into the comic book. So I have to make myself sure. But still, the stuff comes with the price. I'll show you around with just for a sec. You see, there are a couple of different kinds of the stuff like this end user license, network license, I don't know, that etc. This is not important this time, but what is important, every stuff on the net regarding to design, it comes with the price, and this is price you see not that shoddy. It's about the start at what was my personal choice, this 500s. So this I can still I still have to pay the fare, not more, but okay. So now armed with the rendering program, I extended, first of all, I extended my current version of the program with it, and going to pack up with the last part, especially this shooting machine. This is and now to render a bit faster, I'm going to switch off some elements in the modeling process. As you can see, it's version 15 already. And such common parts to the 3D modeling process as vertex and edges, so-called edges and vertex. I have to switch them off to make my program run faster. As you can see, I read it off these lines, which are the edges especially. I do not need excessive shadows, excessive details to render it just as fast as the program only can. And now you see, by means of this manipulator, I'm going to turn around this cabinet. This is Sika shooting, and to place it properly behind this air hockey, behind the air hockey and between the X-Men cabinet. And you can see to let people achieve to reach this cabinet. You see all these cabinets are highly rendered with all textures already applied. I've purchased them on the commercial license. As you can see, they look stunning. And all of them are ready for the final rendering, which is good. I'll show you a little around through the scene. You can see it looks like natural. This is man-eater machine. Some columns still required the textures to be applied, but this is not a big issue. I have my Photoshop still at hand, and I can develop any kind of surfaces I only like. Charcoal, maybe bricks, anything that is common for that epoch and suitable for this kind of place. You see how it looks like, very, very natural, very genuine. And now we could start screening, we could start set up this scene. So thank you for watching, have a nice day.